Just as you would typically own stocks in various sectors, you can protect your precious metals portfolio using the same concept. It's a strategy known as hedging. Hedging involves buying assets in one class to offset potential losses in another asset class. For instance, you might purchase gold to balance out a portfolio containing stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps balance the highs and lows of the assets in your portfolio and is a critical component of portfolio diversification. As part of portfolio diversification, many people purchase one or several of the four major precious metals: gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Completely embracing all four precious metals can offer a shield against ups and downs within the metals category. Gold is the original precious metal and embodies what it means to hedge. The price of gold tends to increase when paper assets struggle. Gold has long been a prized metal and monetary asset, with a heritage dating back to 1223 BC. Today, gold can act as a source of long-term returns, a diversifier that can mitigate losses during market stress, and a liquid asset with no credit risk. Like gold, silver has a history of being a sought-after metal and monetary asset, but has been more affordable by comparison. Its modern role as an industrial metal is nearly unparalleled. This is important because as demand for silver in the industry increases, so can silver's strength within your precious metals portfolio. Since the 18th century, platinum has emerged as a coveted choice for jewelry and also plays important roles in manufacturing, thanks to the fact that it is the least reactive metal known to man. Unlike gold and silver, platinum has been in a supply deficit almost since its market inception. This combination of factors sets platinum up for stronger price moves and solid portfolio performance. Palladium is part of the platinum family and remains relatively new to the market. Palladium's appeal rests in its extreme rarity and its role in the dehydrogenation process in catalytic converters. The metal remains at a relatively constant level of high demand, but hard to come by supply, setting palladium up for continued price increases. Including all four of the major precious metals in your asset bucket allows you to tap into the diversity of a popular asset class that might move up when a currency or stock moves down. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to learn more about how various precious metals can work alongside one another within your portfolio. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio with precious metals.